Hey everyone, welcome back to Dr. Bell Health. I'm Dr. Bell, and today we're going to be talking about a supplement that's fundamental to your well-being and works at a cellular level. BodyBio PC, also known as Phosphatidylcholine. This is for educational purposes only. Talk to your doctor before you take any vitamins or supplements. And if you stick around, I'll share with you where you can get BodyBio PC at a special discount, better prices than anywhere else online, just for watching. Okay, so first off, let's talk about what makes BodyBio PC so special. It's not just another supplement, it's a pure liposomal phospholipid complex. This might sound complex, but it's really quite simple. Think of phospholipids as the building blocks of your cell membranes. They repair and protect each of your 70 trillion cells. Yes, 70 trillion cells. That's a lot of cells, and each one needs the right nutrients to function optimally. As we age or get exposed to toxins, our cells start to break down, and this is where BodyBio PC comes in. By providing these critical phospholipids, it helps rebuild and maintain cell health from the brain to the gut and everywhere in between. And the benefits, you might notice, improved brain function, mental clarity, smoother digestion, better detoxification, and more consistent energy levels. That sounds great, doesn't it? Before we talk more about the benefits of BodyBio PC and how it works, I want to share with you where you can purchase it at a steep discount, better than anywhere else online. Go to drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com. Join our full script store. It doesn't cost you anything to join. Free shipping, free returns, and your favorite brands are there. Hundreds of brands, thousands of products. We've got brands like Standard Process, Microbiome Labs, Metagenics, Biotics Research, Thorne, Pure Encapsulations, you name it, it's there at a discount. Okay, so how does BodyBio PC work its magic? Phospholipids are essential for your cell membranes, and they let nutrients in and help escort waste out, and they work alongside the proteins that are in those cells. So they enable your cells to communicate with each other, which is vital for everything from your immune system to your cardiovascular health and nervous system regulation. And if you're recovering from chronic condition or simply aiming for general health maintenance, BodyBio PC is your go-to supplement. It's about rebuilding your health from the cellular level up. It supports cellular function. You're giving your body the foundation it needs for true healing and optimal health. Now let's talk about the brain health. Did you know that your brain is about 50% lipids and half of those are phospholipids? And as early as your 20s, your brain starts to lose these crucial components, with up to 20% lost by your 80s. And this loss can impact cognitive function and overall brain health. So supplementing with pure phospholipids like BodyBio PC can help maintain brain function and promote healthy aging. And BodyBio PC just isn't for those with specific health concerns. It's for everyone. Our cells make up who we are, and by providing them with the rich nutrients that are in BodyBio PC, you can enjoy health and vitality at every age. So if you're looking to enhance your mental clarity, digestion, energy, and overall cellular health, consider giving BodyBio PC a try. It's a small step that you can make a big difference with. So don't forget, you can purchase BodyBio PC and other BodyBio products at a steep discount through Dr. Bell Health. Go to drbellhealth.com. Free shipping, free returns. Your favorite brands are there. So thanks for tuning in to Dr. Bell Health. I'm Dr. Bell, and I'll see you in the next video.